Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the incredible world of the Moringa tree. Known as the miracle tree or tree of life, Moringa is packed with nutrients and benefits that could seriously boost your wellness game. First up, let's talk about nutrition. This tree is like nature's multivitamin. Moringa leaves are rich in vitamins A, C, and E, plus minerals like calcium and potassium. Imagine getting a burst of energy and vitality from just a few leaves. Next, protein. Did you know moringa leaves contain all 9 essential amino acids? That's right. It's a complete protein source, perfect for vegetarians and vegans looking to up their protein intake. Now let's chat about antioxidants. Moringa is loaded with these powerful compounds. They help combat oxidative stress and keep your cells healthy. Think of it as a natural shield against everyday wear and tear. How does it taste? Well, moringa has a slightly earthy, spinach-like flavor. You can toss the leaves into your salads, blend them into smoothies, or even make a refreshing moringa tea. Versatile and delicious. Hydration is key, and moringa can help with that too. The seeds can be used to purify water. In some parts of the world, they're a crucial tool for safe drinking water. Talk about a multifunctional plant. But wait, there's more. Moringa oil extracted from the seeds is fantastic for your skin. It's rich in oleic acid, making it a great moisturizer. Plus, it's lightweight and absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling silky smooth. And let's not forget about your hair. Moringa oil can strengthen your hair and promote growth. Just a few drops can make a big difference. One of my favorite things about moringa is its sustainability. It's a fast-growing, drought-resistant tree that can thrive in tough conditions. So by incorporating moringa into your life, you're also supporting eco-friendly practices. So there you have it. The moringa tree is truly a powerhouse of health benefits. From boosting your nutrition to enhancing your beauty routine, it's a versatile addition to any wellness journey. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the wonders of moringa, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more health tips and secrets. Keep thriving, health enthusiasts. Until next time.